cheeseburger. Okay, stop doing that. We're gaming.
Money gaming.
Never speak again.
Oh. That didn't work that well.
It did. Box. Okay, I'm gonna spawn in a thing. Breaking Bad.
Excuse me.
Heisenberg.
I've been through.
Breaking Bad. Breaking Bad. Oops, there's.
You're going.
I'm fishing. I fell. Gaming. That's a tree.
No, it's not. That's a tree.
Okay, I'm gonna spawn in something that's gonna be very funny, and it's gonna be funny, and it's
That's
a combat vehicle.
Oh my god.
Hang on, I'm fine. Don't
What
worry about
just
that.
happened?
I gotta turn on God mode. Even with God mode on, you can still die from this.
What?
Hello?
Can you drive it?
No.
So it's just there.
Uh-oh. There's no roof anymore.
And God mode it can kill you.
Yes.
Oh
See?
my God
Watch.
mode, all that does is
And I'm dead.
kill you. Oh my god.
Help me. Help. I'm gonna die.
Mjolnir.
Oh.
Use Mjolnir. I don't think it's working.
It's not working.
I'll get back behind the cover. Get back to the cover.
Behind the cover. I got weapons.
Incinerator.
I got weapons. Okay, we're gonna go weapons. We're gonna kill him. He's dying. I'm running.
That sucks. Incinerator sucks.
You. I'm gonna level this building now. It's bad.
Wait. You can just pick up the car and just put it in the water. That's a little bit too far, I think.
No, it's fine. We are safe now.
Let's look.
Oh no. Hello. It's farting. Can't reach it.
Get in the water again.
Oh, I'm fine. Ouch. I got hit by a car. Me when I get
Or did the car get hit by you?
me. Bye bye.
There it goes.
It's upside down. Help.
I'm not very good at running from it.
I am running.
Did it just...
Ah!
You're not very good at hiding either.
Hang on, just give me. I'm gonna figure it out. Okay, I'm safe.
You're not. You just ruined the building.
No, I'm safe. Hunting. I'm hunting.
Spawn the other combat vehicle.
Oh, I bounced. I'm gonna spawn it. Nope, wrong one. Ooh. I'm going over there. And it's gone.
Huh.
Me when. Me.
So that one's possible to destroy.
Both of them. All two of them. Help. Running. Kill this.
That worked.
Help me.
Is it chicken?
Yes. I'm running.
So you have to get in there.
Okay, I'm in.
We're probably going to. Look for your weapons. Let me see what's there.
I got weapons.
Leaf blower. Leaf blow it away. That did nothing.
I just gotta get outside.
Close.
Oh, I'm dead again. Oh, I'm dying. Oh. Watch this.
It's shaking its head out in disapproval at you. Good water now. It is possible to destroy.
What are you?
I think it is possible to destroy.
Sure. Gaming. Gaming. I got a truck. I got a truck. Got a truck. Got a truck. And these are people.
Death.
Whoops. Hey, watch this. Watch. Oops. Give me a minute.
Tuesday.
I'm gonna lift. I'm gonna lift up this person.
Tuesday.
And they're gone.
Tuesday. Thursday.
What about Saturday? I'm gonna shoot
Monday.
him. I'm gonna shoot him.
Monday.
Shoot him.
Monday.
Ah, shot him. I missed.
Krankenwagen.
I got him.
Krakorsa. Are you able to spawn any cars that belong to Beamenji?
No. I got the Simpsons. The Simpsons. Ouch. Ouch. Okay, we're just gonna give it a little. Ah! That's fine.
Doesn't really hit you. I was live. I was live.
Ouch. I've been touched. I'm gonna stand on it.
Oh.
That was cool. I slipped. No. Ow. Oof. Do you want to see something?
Sure.
Tank.
That's a tank.
Now it's not. Ouch! I'm a tank now.
Oh.
Ouch. Ouch.
You think a tank would stop that?
Yes. Ouch. 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 Ouch.
You're not good at this.
Ouch. 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 It's broken. I'm gonna get it. Get it. Got him.
Whoa.
No.
Oh. Ukraine. Funny. Funny.
The wall.
China.
I'm gonna pick up a house.
Lift up God.
I'm gonna pick up a house.
Can you pick up?
I'm gonna. Hang on. I'm gonna.
You're not doing very good.
I'm gonna pick up the.
You suck. It just vanished.
I did it!
Chair.